Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make roles on Discord. In order to make roles on Discord, you need to open your Discord app. You might have different servers. For example, we have Games for Friends server and we have Study Brains server. Depending on the server, you select it and tap on the name of that server. When you tap on the name, you have the option to select settings. Settings can be found here, so we're going to tap on it. We're going to look for roles now. And here under user management, we have some options and we have roles. After clicking on roles, we can go to the top right corner where we have the plus icon. Here you can put the name of this role. I'm just going to say editor, and you could change the role color. We're going to select this one and save it. Click on create. Now in the second step of creating roles, you can select the permissions for this role. For example, you have 4 options: cosmetic, member, moderator, and manager. These different options have their different strengths. So if we want to go ahead and select it as moderator, we're going to select it. And then you get to add the members if you want to do that now. However, if you want to skip this step, you can simply click on finish or skip this step. Now we've just created editor role, and you can see we currently have 2 roles. So this is how to make roles on Discord. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.